Imagine there are two students in the same online class, but one are using fast laptop, strong internet connection, and studies in a quiet room. The other one are using an old device, unstable internet connection, and study in a noisy living room. Both of them are attend the same class, but do they have the same chance to succeed? So in my research, I explore how socioeconomic status will affect student performance in online learning. So after COVID, online learning has become common in today's education world, but it shows uncomfortable truth, which not students have an equal access to education in digital world. So for my framework, there is a positive relationship between socioeconomic status and student engagement. So my study asks a simple question: does socioeconomic status really affect how students perform and engage in online learning? To answer this question, I conducted a quantitative study using an online survey with 215 students from public university in Kuala Lumpur. The data was analyzed using SPSS software to find out the reliability, descriptive, and correlation between the DD and also IB. The findings show a positive but weak relationship, meaning that students from a higher socioeconomic background perform slightly better because they have better access in technology and study environment. Meanwhile, students from a lower socioeconomic background face more struggles, not due to the lack of effort, but due to the lack of resources. To explain this, I use a self-determination theory. This theory explains that students are motivated when three basic needs are met, which are autonomy, competence, and relatedness. But when students have a poor internet connection, no devices, or stressful home environment, these needs are not fulfilled. As a result, their motivation and engagement is naturally decreased. This study reminds us that education equality must include digital equality. I recommend for the university and policymakers to help students from all backgrounds to learn effectively. So, in conclusion, my study supports the Sustainable Development Goal 4, which is the SDG 4, which is quality education that aims to ensure inclusive and equitable education for all. To truly achieve the SDG 4, we must make sure that every student, and not just the privileged one, has access to quality learning tools and environment. Because, in the end, education is not just about connecting to the internet, it's about connecting every student to the opportunity, growth, and hope.